Welcome to Oil and Gas Investor Headlines for the week ending in July 22nd. I'm Heather Rosenbaum. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to thank our sponsor, Navport. For more information on their upstream data solutions, visit navport.com. First up, Devon Energy Corp has been on a quest to sell in order to reduce its $12.5 billion debt. And 6 months after closing its acquisition in the stack play, Devon's divestiture campaign appears to be done by agreeing to sell its Access pipeline interest for more than $1 billion. The value of the pipeline sale beat expectations by about $100 million. Devon will use about 2/3 of its proceeds to reduce debt, with the remainder expected to be reinvested in the business, which may not be a bad idea, since Devon announced a record-setting well for the stack play this week. The company said it drilled a 5,000-foot lateral and achieved a 30-day average rate of 2,100 barrels of oil equivalent per day, which is the highest on a per lateral foot basis of any Meramec well drilled to date in the play. And Laredo Petroleum is upgrading its Midland Basin operations with an acquisition that will drive longer laterals and capital efficiencies. Laredo signed an agreement with an undisclosed company to acquire additional acreage and sprayberry rights for $125 million. While Contango Oil and Gas is also on the hunt for deals in the Permian, Managing Director of Jefferies LLC, Bill Marco, says the Permian isn't the only region with potential for deal making. Marco explains the stack play is fixed in size, limiting the number of transactions. And same with the Bakken, but he expects the gassy Haynesville to spur deals. Even the Gulf of Mexico could attract attention from larger companies, provided oil prices return to $60 or $70. Thanks for watching this week's Oil and Gas Investor Headlines. For more on these stories and others, head on over to oilandgasinvestor.com. See you next week. To stay up to date on the most recent hard energy videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking here.